Is your hair dry, brittle, stunt, bald, damaged, dull, or itchy? It is time to unlock the power of beetroot in our healthy type 4 hair journey. Hello, I'm Exceptional Debbie. Welcome to Deeply's Exceptional Care. On this channel, I reveal simple yet effective ways of reaching your hair goals and building your hair confidence. Are you interested? Please like, comment, and subscribe. Beetroot is packed with lots of vitamins and minerals that are highly beneficial to our body. It boosts hair growth, boosts immunity, improves metabolism and brain function. It helps in blood circulation and maintains youthful appearance. It is rich in vitamin C, known for its antioxidant properties to help repair damaged hair follicles and prevent hair loss. It is rich in iron for proper blood circulation to our scalp. It contains vitamin B9, folic acid to promote thicker hair and faster hair growth. It is rich in potassium to prevent hair breakage by nourishing and strengthening your hair. It contains betaines to keep your hair hydrated, smooth, and shiny. It prevents premature graying and maintains the overall health of your scalp. No more itchy scalp. It is also rich in color and taste like carrots. Beetroot can be used in different ways as a salad, smoothie, juice, powder for hair masks, hair tea, and oil. You can incorporate it in your diet with other fruits and vegetables to boost your body health and hair growth. Remember, only a healthy body grows healthy hair. To make a hair tea, kindly peel your beetroot, chop it into chunks, add some ginger and blend. Then sieve it. You can apply it on your scalp after shampooing. Leave it for some minutes and rinse out. To make a hair mask, blend your beetroot into a paste. You can add ginger, honey, yogurt, or your regular conditioner and other essential oils. Then apply generously and rinse out later. To use as an hair oil, slice your beetroot, fry it in your favorite oil or butter on low heat. I repeat, on low heat till the water evaporates. Let it cool down, then sieve. And your beetroot hair oil is ready. To make a hair powder, cut your beetroot into thin slices. Place them on a tray. Keep it in a safe place to dry out. Then you grind it. You can mix it with other Ayurvedic herbs of your choice. You don't have to worry about molds. This can last you as long as possible. I hope this video has helped you learn more about beetroot and how it can be beneficial to our hair and body health. Tell me how you'll be using this in your diet or your hair routine in the comment section. I'd love to know. Please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly like, subscribe, and share. Check the description for my DIY playlist. I have a lot in store for you. Thank you and God bless you. See you in my next video.